Endeavour Silver Corporation, EXK, is drawing heightened investor attention as silver prices surge to multi-year highs, driving the stock into a strong upward trend. Retail traders and institutional investors alike are debating potential upside targets, as well as the impact of elevated short interest that could amplify volatility. A key development fueling the discussion is Endeavour Silver's decision to sell its Kolpa copper stream to VNET, a move seen as strategic in reshaping the company's asset portfolio. Market watchers are weighing whether the transaction strengthens Endeavor's balance sheet and enhances its focus on its core silver operations, or if it limits future diversification. Looking ahead, the community is zeroing in on two major potential catalysts: the expected ramp up to full production at the Terronera project and silver's recent designation as a critical mineral in the United States. Terronera is projected to be a cornerstone asset for Endeavour, potentially lowering costs and boosting output, while silver's critical mineral status could drive policy support, investment inflows, and broader industry momentum. With silver prices breaking higher, Endeavour Silver finds itself at the intersection of favorable commodity trends, operational milestones, and sector wide policy tailwinds. Traders remain divided between aggressive bullish targets and cautious short plays, setting the stage for continued volatility in EXK shares.
So EXK is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards, and it has been printing higher prices, or it has been in an uptrend since the 19th of May, or even earlier than that. At various times, contracting with a distributive bias. This was, I would say, from early July. Yeah, contracted with an accumulative with a bullish bias. Okay, so the strength is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 3rd of September. Then after that, we might get a contraction that might last up to the 24th of September. Then the uptrend may resume thereafter. On silver, the extrapolations are equally saying that a contraction is going to come, probably, I don't know, maybe by Wednesday, but it's saying that it's going to end by the 15th of September. So I think to a great extent, EXK tracks as silver, but based on the extrapolations, it's there's a lag in the correlation. In terms of projections, let's see what we have. We have let's see 6.28. It closed on Friday. 6.28. Projections are saying 6.20, 6.69, $7. Okay, as of the 4th of August, the projections extended to 7.25, 7.72, and had further downward projections of 4.88, 5.02, 5.26. In terms of price pressure momentum, everything is all the moving averages are in trend mode. However, we have a negative second derivative on this 10-day moving average, indicating that maybe weakness is gradually creeping in. Indeed, also, yeah, yeah, maybe possibly weakness is gradually creeping in. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, it had an intraday high of $6.3 on Friday the 29th. So here, high prices are expected to remain in place up till Thursday the 4th of September. Okay, pretty much in line with what we have on the daily chart. Okay, and then after that, we may go into a contraction that will remain in place up till maybe beyond the 10th of September. Projections here saying 6.37, 6.79, 7.05 currently in play. Okay. price pressure momentum. Let's get what we have down here. Everything is all the moving averages and their derivatives are robustly positive. The 10 and 21 day moving averages are in strong trend modes. Okay, so it's either indicating that more strength will continue to play out, or that at some point short sellers or sellers will come and will think that the stock is overbought. One of those. So let's just see how things go. Let's quickly glance at the 1 minute chart and see what's going on here. So it's quite a cyclical stock. What are the projections saying here? 6.29, 6.28, 6.33. I think we have seen 6.33 here, 6.30 here. So let's see what we have here. 6.33. Yeah. Let's see what we have on the 3 minute chart. He has been consolidating since, well, this is just the 3 minute chart. We don't really need to bother ourselves so much. It's not going to be of much importance by the time you're watching this. 5 minute chart. Let's see. Projections. Nothing there. Okay, we could just have a look at the weekly chart. We might see more ambitious projections. It's 8.54. So the 17th of March. Yeah. Let's look at the monthly chart. Yeah, we have 9.24, 11.83, 13.42. Okay, yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what's going on with see what you make of EXK, and thank you very much for watching this video.